If you are an engineering student or a fresher looking for internships or high paying tech jobs, then this video is for you. Today we are going to optimize your LinkedIn profile from scratch. So most of the students create a LinkedIn account, upload a photo and never touch it again. But recruiters actively use LinkedIn to search for candidates. A well-optimized profile can help you get noticed and improve your chances of receiving the interview calls. So let's go through each section step by step. Every day, recruiters from companies like Microsoft, Google, Amazon, Oracle, and many more startups search LinkedIn to find candidates. They search using keywords like Java, Python, React, data analyst, AI engineer, and many more like these. If your profile is not optimized, it may never appear in those searches. That's why optimizing your LinkedIn profile is very important. So many of the students apply for hundreds of jobs but receive only the rejection emails. While there can be many reasons, an incomplete LinkedIn profile is often one of them. Recruiters usually check your LinkedIn profile before scheduling interviews. A professional profile helps building the trust and creates a better first impression. And if you are not getting interview calls, do not panic. Instead of applying randomly to more jobs, spend some time improving your LinkedIn profile. The small improvements can make a big differences. So let's see how. Here is a comparison between an average LinkedIn profile and an optimized one. Notice how the optimized profile looks more professional. It has a better profile picture, a custom banner, a strong headline, projects, and the relevant skills. Our goal is to make your profile look like this. So before we start editing, let's understand what an optimized organization's profile look like. A complete LinkedIn profile should include a professional photo, a banner, a strong headline, about section, education, projects, skills, and certifications. Each section plays a very important role. So let's start with your profile picture. Use a clear photo where your face is visible. Choose good lighting and a clean background. Wear smart casual or formal clothes. Avoid selfies, group photos, sunglasses, or heavily edited pictures. Remember, this is your professional profile. Next comes is your LinkedIn banner. Most students leave this blank. Instead, create a simple banner that includes your name, target role, and key skills. For example, aspiring software engineer. Mention your skills like Java, Spring Boot, SQL that you know. Open to opportunities. You can easily create this using Canva. Now let's update your headline. Instead of writing student at XYZ or ABC college, write something more meaningful like aspiring data engineer, Java, Spring Boot, DSA, open to work. Your headline should tell recruiters what role you are looking for and what skills you exactly have. Now, talking about the About section is your professional introduction. Write a short paragraph explaining who you are, what you are learning, your technical skills, the projects you worked on, and your career goals. Keep it simple and easy to read. Complete your education section by adding college name, degree, branch, graduation year, CGPA if it's good. You can also mention relevant coursework and achievements. Now, talking about the projects, projects are one of the most important sections for freshers. Even if you don't have internship experience, your projects show recruiters what you can build. For every project, add project name, description, technologies used, GitHub link, live demo if available. Now comes the skills part. Add all the relevant technical skills that you have. For example, like Java, Python, SQL, Git, Spring Boot, React, Docker, AWS, Linux, data structure and algorithms, like these. Try to keep your skills relevant to your target role. Now comes the certifications. If you have completed certifications from AWS, Microsoft, Google, Oracle, NPTEL, or Coursera, or even from anywhere else, add them here. Certifications strengthen your profile and show that you are continuously learning. Now comes is customizing the URL. Instead of random numbers, use your name. A clean URL looks professional and is easier to share on your resume. And also enable the open to work option. Choose the roles you are interested in. Select your preferred locations and choose whether you want only recruiters or everyone to see your availability. Then comes finding the opportunities. Use LinkedIn Jobs to search for internships and full-time roles. Use filters to find jobs based on locations, experience level, and the skills. Save jobs and apply regularly. Now, the most important part is share the content on LinkedIn. Don't just use LinkedIn for applying. Start posting regularly. Share your projects, your certifications, your learning journeys, or useful technical tips. Being active actually increases your visibility on LinkedIn. And finally comes to track your results. Check your profile analytics regularly, monitor profile views, search appearances, post engagement, because these insights help you to understand what's working and what not. Then a final part comes is about building your personal brand. Your LinkedIn profile is more than just an online resume. It is your personal brand. The more value you share, the more people recognize your profile. And the best part is networking. Connect with recruiters, connect with alumni, connect with professionals working in your dream companies. Always send a short personalized message instead of a blank request. And do not apply to every job. Read the job description carefully before applying. Customize your resume accordingly and apply only if your profile matches the requirements. Quality applications are always better than the quantity. Then share your achievements, your coding journey, hackathons, projects, technical articles. Helping others builds credibility and attracts opportunities. And the most important part is staying consistent. LinkedIn growth takes time. Keep learning, keep improving your profile, keep networking, keep posting, because consistency is actually the key to reach to your final goal. Now, final checklist is over here. Before applying for jobs, make sure your profile has a professional photo, banner, headline, about section, education, projects, skills, certifications, custom URL, open to work, and active network. And now compare your profile before it was and after making these changes. Because a complete LinkedIn profile gives recruiters a much better impression and increases your chance of getting noticed. If you consistently optimize your profile and stay active, you will gradually start seeing more profile views, more recruiters' connections, more interview opportunities. Remember, LinkedIn is a long term investment in your career. And that's it for today's video. I hope this guide helps you build a professional LinkedIn profile and move one step closer to your dream job. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe to the Career Hook, and share it with your friends. On this channel, we regularly share hiring updates, career roadmaps, interview tips, and practical guidance to help engineering students and freshers to land high paying tech jobs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.